Okay, so a while ago I made this video showing you how to repair a TV with LCD panel problem, but the user commented I didn't say where to put the tape, which I probably did, but I forgot. So anyways, today I've got a new TV. Let's try to repair it again. It's also a LCD panel problem. I have already tested it and taken it apart, but I have not started diagnosing it. So we'll do it together. Let's first test it before repair. Can be turned on, but as you can see, there's a lot of horizontal line, which indicates a panel problem. With this, you just start by disconnecting one of. I should go slow this time actually. Let's explain everything you need to know about it. Here the power comes in. This is a 2-in-1 board. This side, there's a line between the board. This is the power section. Here is the backlight driver, which is also separate on some TVs, but nowadays they try to make it all in one board so it's cheaper. And yeah, the TV is crap, so it fails early and it's already in my hand for free. Here is the backlight connector, which is working because you can see the picture is illuminated. This section is the motherboard. This is a smart TV, so it has Ethernet ports, and here's the CPU. Probably it's all in one again for cost reasons. This is the LVDS cable connecting from the main board to the T-Con board. On even cheaper TV, this may be integrated with the main board or integrated with the panel. If it's integrated with the main board, it's actually not a huge deal, but if it's integrated with this panel sideboard, it's very bad for repairability. Because to see, basically LCD TV have Basically LCD TV have, here's the sideboard with a lot of ribbon cable. Basically the signal going from both sides of the TV, and there's two connectors connecting to the two sideboard. So we need to find which one is broken. So we disconnected one. If after disconnecting it works, then means that side is bad, otherwise it's the other side. So that's disconnecting one side. I will guess this one is okay if you guess wrong, which is not okay if this two is integrated. There won't be the connector, so you need to cut the trace, but today this one is easier. Make it life easier for us. Let's try it again. The picture probably won't be perfect because we've disconnected half of the panel. As you can see, there is a line. This is the broken part. And now on the TV nothing is shown, but there's no lines. We can try the other side. I am not completely sure what's happening now, so we can try the other side. I will show you up close this time. There's a plastic bit. Plug the cable in and press it down. Disconnecting it, just get the plastic part up and the cable come out very easily. Okay, we can check it now. this seems to be the one because there was a die here. It's now doesn't exist anymore. The panel still have nothing shown on it, but it probably just this particular panel doesn't support only running one side. Not all panel behaves the same, so you need to check your own. You always cut the power before doing anything on the board so you don't damage them. So I assume this side is broken. This side. I assume this side is broken. Let's get a bit closer, look at the board. Okay, so this is the board. This is the connector, which is probably broken. I don't know, but we'll see later. Here is marked. See it okay. It says VGH. Here's a VCOM. The signal we need to block is see it okay. So get a little bit closer. So the see it okay. Here's marked see okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All 10 need to be blocked. So from here to here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Only the last two don't need to be blocked, which is the VGH. Other all need to be blocked. So I will be right back. Okay, I have put a piece of tape on the last 10 terminals. Now let's connect it. It's connected now. Let's try it. Okay, it's on now. Seems like the problem is still there, so I think we got the wrong one. That's okay. So now we should use this one instead. Let's remove them both. Also remember to focus. Let's take a closer look. As you might have noticed, this side of the panel isn't marked, which can be a bit annoying, but we can use some tools to easily tell it. Basically, as I explained before, the two sides is connected together. These are identical signal going to both. So actually these two is connected together to the chip. So we can just use a multimeter to find the continuity between them. So we focus and set the multimeter to continuity. It's working. Now go to the panel. This one is a CKB. Put it there. And hard to record at the same time. Put one terminal here and brush the other terminal here. It's beeping here, so this is the CKV. I will move the tape to here, basically. Move tape from here to here, and I'll show you later. Okay, now the tape is moved to here. You can probably see it. Let's just, as always, connect them back. It may not be the easiest. It's two. It's one hand. Okay. Now both is connected. We can try again. I turned it on. As you can see, the TV is back to life. Here is a tiny line, which is the part that's shorted. You can solve it by using a short cutter, but it's a bit dangerous, and this just a tiny line. It really doesn't affect the viewing of the TV. You can barely see it at viewing distance. This. Let's get up close for you to see it. Just 1 pixel wide. Like this. This is just 1 pixel wide on a 4K TV. And other part it's working for SD. You can bring up the menu. I don't have a controller yet. I cannot really do much. Okay, you can see the TV is good now. Yeah, here is a bit flicker because there is short in the TV, but this is not very serious. It's way better than before, like a whole TV is flickering, it's impossible to use. Now it's okay. Okay, this also depends on the panel, like this TV I'm using now also had this problem of the horizontal line, and actually this one is like the screen is totally black, only the backlight is on and the sound. But now after repair it's much more usable. As you can see, very up closely, there's a little bit of line, but it's very hard to see. It's probably impossible to see on camera, so yeah, this can definitely save a lot of TV from the landfill. And other ones that's just too far gone and should belong in the trash. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Bye.